Okay guys, now I'll tell you the process after completing this dish. Let's get ready. Hello guys, let me tell you the preparation process. First of all, we have to take some, for example, half kg of chicken. Then we have to marinate it for one overnight or 6 to 12 hours. So for marination process, we have to mix some 2 spoons of chili powder, and then 1 spoon of salt, and then half spoon of turmeric, and then add some uh, one big size lemon juice, and then we have to add some curd in it, and then we have to mix it up, and uh, and then we have to close the lid and keep it in deep freezer till 6 to 12 hours. Then we have to take it